Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 26, 2024, Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. result ngayong January 26, 2024, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Friday, January 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 26, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 70 million pesos for Friday, January 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 26, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.